Little angels, do you remember the song we sang? Someone remind me the song we sang during the PE lesson. In and out, the bamboo forest, in and out, the bamboo forest. Continue the song. In and out, the bamboo forest, who will join me in math? Now, it's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu, Learning Simplified. We've just been looking at things and we say this one is heavier and this one is light. We were not sure, but we are trying to weigh it using our hands and feel the weight. Now, we now want to do it practically and find out, did we really make the right choice? Did we really say the right thing, or we were just guessing? Let's see. We want to talk about same as. What did I say same as means? Same means similar. Same means similar. When someone tells you, we'll look alike, same means similar. Same thing, similar thing. Look alike. Now, look at our beam balance. Are you seeing our beam balance? What is the work of a beam balance? That is the work of this beam balance. Someone help me to understand the work of this beam balance. Teacher, it used to measure things. Which things? It gives us the unit. It will tell us if what we are saying was true or not. Now, on this side, I want to put there my sellotape. On the other side, I want to see how many of this will balance the sellotape. 2, we continue. 3, we see. 4, which means the fourth one did the overweight. So let's see what will balance. The 3 pens will balance the sellotape. Have you realized that 3 pens will balance the sellotape, which means this sellotape is heavier than the pen. Now we have known the sellotape is heavier than the pen. That's nice. Let's try something else and see. I hope you're noting down the sellotape. We have measured the sellotape and the pens, and we are saying 3 pens are the ones that are equal to the sellotape. Now, on this side, we have a stone. We want to find out something that will weigh equal to this stone. Let's see. It cannot weigh, you see, which means this stone is even more heavier than we thought. What? So you mean the stone is heavier? Let's see. You see? Now, the mango is even heavier than the stone. What? Let me see. What about the orange? What about the orange? What about this orange? Let's see if it will balance. This scale has not. So, what balances the stone? What? The other time we said the stone is heavier than the orange, but now we have realized that the orange and the stone have the same. So, we are talking about same. So, let's see. This is the stone and this is the orange. And we are talking about same. They are weighing the same on the scale. So the orange and the stone have the same mass. Let's see something else. Let's see something else. Let's see something else. Let me see how many of these onions will be equal to the orange. How many of these onions will be equal to the third one, the fourth one? No. So let's see and see. For our orange to balance, we must have how many? How many onions? Are you able to see? How many? Count for yourself. How many onions will balance the orange? Which means that orange is big. I didn't know. We have seen here that how many oranges are here? This is only one orange. How many onions will balance the orange? How many onions will balance the orange? We are talking about 3 onions balancing the orange. Wow, 3 onions. You're talking about, no, not 3, there are 4. Teacher, you have forgotten. They are 4. So how many? 4 oranges. 4 onions will balance the 1 orange. Let's see the weight of let's compare the weight of this tomato and see now how many tomatoes will balance the orange. How many tomatoes will balance the orange? When you put there 4 tomatoes, they seem many. Let's see. Still the same. Still the same. Still the same. Now, how many tomatoes? How many tomatoes will balance the oranges? The orange is here. So how many tomatoes have balanced the orange? 3 tomatoes, which means the tomatoes are heavier than the onions. So we are saying how many tomatoes? 3 tomatoes will balance the orange. Are you? Make sure you're noting down, because after this you're going to write a sentence about what you have learned. What you have learned. Let's see something else. We now want to measure and see how many of these bananas will balance. Is the one banana equal to one potato? No, it cannot. You see? Let's see what weighs equal to this banana. What weighs equal to this banana? Let's see the weight of this. Wow. So the weight of the onion is same as the weight of the banana. The weight of this onion and the banana are the same. Onion, banana. Onion and banana are having the same weight. So one banana, one onion having the same weight. So if you're told to write a sentence about what you've learned, what will you say about the two? We are saying the mass of the stone is the same as that of an orange. The onion, the mass of the onion is the same as the mass of the banana. The mass of an onion is the same as the mass of a banana. The mass of the onion is the same as the mass of a banana. Now, I want a sentence about an orange and the 4 onions, then another sentence about the orange and the 3 tomatoes. What can you say about this? We have measured and you have seen the mass of the onion is the same as the mass of the banana. The mass of the stone is the same as the mass of an orange. Then we are now looking at the orange and the onions, the orange and the tomatoes. There are things at home that have the same weight. Sometimes you just look at the thing and you see how big is it and you assume, that one could be big or that one could be heavier. But now today I want to challenge you. Go and try and weigh. Teacher, where will you get a beam balance? You don't need a beam balance at home. Just get 2 sticks, put them on a chair like this. Not even one is enough. Put it on a chair like this. Then you have the small papers at home. You put a paper on this side, even if you take this net on this side and you put it inside there. Then you get the other one and see, do they balance? Which one weighs more? Which one weighs more than the other, or which one weighs lighter than the other, and you will find out. And you'll tell me tomorrow how, when you measured your oranges, your apples in the house, when you measured your ball, the ball you play at home, when you measured your pineapples, which one was heavier and which one was lighter than the other, and which one had the same mass as the other. Any question? So that is what you're going to do at home. I've shown you how to make your scale at home and how to measure it and find out which one weighs more and which one weighs less. Up to there, any question? Hope you enjoyed the lesson and hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.